This video will demonstrate the use of special tool, oil pressure gauge and fuel pressure hose attachment. These tools are used in combination to inspect the engine oil pressure in diesel vehicles. Using oil pressure gauge and fuel pressure hose attachment. Carry out these checks to prepare the vehicle for oil pressure test, engine oil level check, engine oil quality check and engine oil leakage check. Take corrective action if needed. To inspect the engine oil pressure, disconnect the battery negative terminal and remove the oil pressure switch connector. Remove the oil pressure switch mounted on the cylinder head using appropriate tools. Clean its surrounding area. Connect the special tools to the vacated hole of oil pressure switch. Connect battery negative terminal. Start the engine. Check for any oil leakage around special tool. Warm up the engine to its normal working temperature. Check the oil pressure reading at idle RPM and at 4000 RPM. It should be within specified limits for the vehicle. Refer to the service manual for pressure specifications. If engine oil pressure is found out of specification, refer to the service manual for further diagnosis. Advantages and benefits. These tools are easy and quick to use, which saves time needed for diagnosis. It also helps us to find out the condition of engine lubrication system and its components without dismantling it. This results in accurate diagnosis of related problems.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.